Hello everybody, today I am going to make a craft that is water candles. So firstly I will tell you what you want in that craft. You want a glass, okay, some water and some crude kitchen oil. This is cooking oil and you need a watercolor. Any color you can use in it. Okay, so we'll start. First we'll pour a water. This much is enough. This much you will pour water and then take a color. So in this, and you want some these decoration. This one you can buy from market. Now we'll open this and this much. You want this much and mix it in the water. If you want to make it dark, you can put more, but light's looking nice. Little more you can put. Okay, so this much is enough. Okay, now we'll put some little oil. You have to put, not more, just little. Afterwards, for decorating it, you can put these colorful papers, some pom-pom. You can easily get inside the market. Okay, so this much is enough. And now what you want, this will keep aside. What you want one this box, you can take it and make this much circle on it. Okay, so first we'll make the circle. Okay, okay, we have made it. Now we'll cut it. So you have to take a scissor, and if you will not cut, you have to take a knife. Okay, so let's cut it. Let's. Now we have completed cutting. You can see I have cut it in a circle way. You can cut it in a square also. And now we will take it a hole in middle. Middle only you have to put. See, I have put it here. In between only I have put. Now what you have to do? You have to take cotton and make like this. Okay. And now put it here. Okay. So it will come from this side. Okay, see, this is okay. Now you have to take some crude oil, this one cooking oil you have to take, and give it a heat. Okay, like this you have to make, otherwise it will not burn. Okay, this cooking oil you have to put. It can be easily available at your home. Okay, now we'll clean it here, otherwise it will burn. बहुत तो बिगड़ ही गई पूरी. And now we will. Okay, it's gone inside properly. and now we will burn it. Okay, now we will burn it. Okay, so it's burned nicely. How it's looking? Looking awesome. Now you can make it at home for Diwali preparation or for simple pujas only, or you can decorate your balconies or terrace with it. So thank you, and this is my today's craft. Thank you so much. It's looking good. You can put, it's looking nice, but one thing you have to remember, don't put so much cooking oil, otherwise it will full dip into it. Okay, and make it carefully while making crude oil and burn it nicely. Thank you and happy Diwali to everybody once again. So today's craft is also completed now. You can see, and down you can color anything, or that pebbles are coming to that you can put. I have not put yet because I have not buy. So I don't have, but you can put pebbles. That will look too great. But if you will put pebbles, you have to color it light, like yellow. You can put, or white only you can put. So it's completed. Today my craft is completed. Thank you, and comment me that how it's looking. Happy Diwali once again to everybody.